Introducing our latest high-performance LED light. Waterproof? Absolutely! With an IP65 rating, it's built to handle outdoor use and dusty environments without worry. Need to light up a wide area? No problem! With a stunning 17,250 lumens, this LED light fills even large spaces with brilliant brightness. Set it exactly how you want. With 7-step angle adjustment and a side-locking hole, your lighting stays fixed, secure, and stable. Trust matters. HIPPO LED products are made in Korea and backed by a full 3-year warranty. Quality you can rely on. When you purchase this product, it comes with the main body, bracket, chain, screws, and an installation manual by default. Please turn off the power at the circuit breaker before installation to prevent electric shock. Use insulated gloves and appropriate tools during installation. Open one end of the included chain, attach it to the ring on the flange bracket, and tighten it securely. Repeat the process for the other end of the chain by hooking it onto the ring of the fixture body and tightening it firmly. Connect the ceiling power supply wires to the wires of the product. Of the 3 wires, the green one is the ground wire. Firmly fasten the flange to the ceiling using screws to complete the installation. Position the mounting bracket on the desired surface ceiling, wall, or floor. Secure the bracket using screws or pre-installed wall anchors. Adjust the fixture's angle to suit your installation needs. 4. Secure the fixture to the bracket using screws. HIPPO LED, your ultimate worksite lighting solution.